Hello everyone, welcome back to English Espresso. My name is Monica and today we are going to talk about daily good habits. Small habits may look simple, but when you do them every day, they change your life. So if you want to be healthier, more confident, and more successful, watch this video till the end. Let's begin. Habit number 1. Wake up early. Waking up early is one of the best habits you can build. When you wake up early, your mind is fresh. You feel calm and you have more time for yourself. You don't need to wake up at 5 a.m. suddenly. You just need to wake up 30 minutes earlier than usual. Small steps matters. Habit number 2. Drinking water should be the first thing in the morning. After waking up, drink 1 or 2 glasses of water. This habit cleans your body, improves digestion, and gives you energy. It's simple, free, and very powerful. Your body will say thank you. Habit number 3. Read or listen something new. Read for 10 to 15 minutes every day. It can be a book, an article, or even English learning. Reading improves your knowledge, confidence, and thinking. Remember, leaders are readers. Habit number 4. Practice gratitude. Every day, think about 3 things you are thankful for. It can be small things: your health, your family, a good day. Gratitude makes you positive and reduces stress. A thankful heart is a happy heart. Habit number 5. Move your body daily. You don't need to go to the gym. Just walk, stretch, do light exercises. Move your body for at least 20 minutes. A healthy body creates a healthy mind. Habit number 6. Speak positive words. The way you talk to yourself matters. Stop saying, I can do this. Start saying, I'm learning. I'm improving. I can do better. Positive words create positive results. Habit number 7. Sleep on time. Good sleep is not a luxury. It is necessity. Try to sleep on time and avoid your phone before bed. When you sleep well, your mind works better the next day. Remember, you don't need to change your life in one day. Just build one good habit at a time. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Which habit you will start from today? Comment below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.